Is a compound soluble in water or not? Technically, anything is soluble, at least to a microscopic extent, but they usually draw an arbitrary cutoff of something like 5 grams per 100 milliliters of water and say it's soluble if more than that dissolves. So different things have different amounts of solubility, which is where all those exceptions come from. Now, all those lists I've seen for solubility say this is soluble unless it's with this or this or this or this or this or this. And having 20 rules like that isn't terribly helpful. I mean, you just have to spend a while looking things up. However, after searching through several textbooks, I found one that displayed a ranked list. Rule 1 is that ammonium, sodium, and potassium are soluble. Rule 2, nitrates, acetates, perchlorates are soluble. Rule 3, lead, silver, mercury are insoluble. But Rule 2 outranks Rule 3, right? So lead nitrate is soluble. Rule 4 is chloride, bromide, and iodide are soluble. But if you had silver iodide, it would be insoluble because Rule 3 outranks Rule 4. Then we have carbonates, sulfides, oxides, hydroxides are insoluble. And calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate, barium sulfate are insoluble, but other sulfates are soluble. Now, if you hunt hard enough, you can find obscure exceptions to all these rules, but it's a very good overall guide. It's very compact and covers a lot of compounds. So if you have to memorize whether things are soluble or not, I strongly recommend going with a ranked list like this one.